now I'm eager to announce the winner. The winner is Rutgers
I didn't hear we won the first time.
Utter shock was the first reaction.
We were actually all the way in the back. I couldn't even see President Bill Clinton.
So winning the $1 million, I was actually, I was really calm at the time. I was really not shocked at all. I was more so just grateful and so humble.
But then after that, immediately after that, was just like, wow, like we've been trusted with such a responsibility.
So the Hult Prize challenge was to restore the dignity of 1 million refugees by the year 2022.
The overall mission that the Hult Prize was, it was to help social issues and social problems and tackle them in a for-profit business manner.
The Hult Prize is considered the Student Nobel Prize, and our students at the Rutgers University Business School won that prize.
Roshni Rides is a mass transit rickshaw system that operates on planned routes.
Anywhere that refugees or displaced people or slum dwellers can't access transportation or can't get to basic resources like schools, hospitals, markets, or places of employment, that's where we want to be.
We've been competing together for about 3 years now. We met when I was a sophomore, the spring of my sophomore year, so 2015.
When one day we were in the same class and Gia asked us, hey, do you guys want to do a case competition?
Gia was like that person who's always thinking, planning. She's like, I really want something on my resume. And she's like, I don't know who to do it with. I don't know other supply chain majors.
Okay, me personally, I really like competitions. I'm a very competitive person.
We were just like, yeah, I guess that sounds cool. It'll be good for our resumes. And so we kind of started doing these case competitions. And, the crazy thing was, we didn't lose.
We are 5-0 now.
So the Hult Prize just happened to be something that came up on my newsfeed on Facebook.
We were super interested right away because it just was so intertwined with our values.
Restoring the dignity of 1 million refugees by the year 2022. And the reason that's so important to us is because the refugee crisis hits close to home. I myself am a child of an immigrant.
Being a daughter of immigrants and a granddaughter of refugees, there's probably a girl just like me in Syria who is probably smarter than me, has a better, more confident personality, whatever. She might have more talent than I do, that all her opportunities have been taken away from her. And so to me, that mismatch in privilege it didn't feel fair, it didn't make sense. And so it went beyond just, I want to win this for myself. It was I want to win this for every single girl who didn't have the same opportunities that they should have because of global circumstances. My mom's favorite phrase when I was in high school and throughout college, when I used to lose a lot, even though I kept trying, or I didn't make it to student council or whatever it would be, was one day will be your day. And September 16th was not just my day, but my team's day.